Hey guys, Tom and Eric here.
Hello.
Today we're going to be covering the Ploval 07 canister filter line. And when I say 07 canister filter line, I'm talking about 7th generation product with over 40 years of history behind it. In fact, it is the best-selling filter canister line on the planet today.
So the 07 series continues to offer 4 models of canister filters. There's the 107, the 207, the 307, and the 407. It's for aquariums ranging from 10 to 100 US gallons or 40 to 500 liters.
Now in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing in which we're going to be looking at the features and benefits as well. So let's get right into it. When looking at the front of the box, you're going to notice E-Tech. Now, what does E-Tech stand for? Well, it stands for an efficient technology that is basically a synergistic process that utilizes cutting-edge design, materials, and manufacturing methods to generate a great end result.
So basically what that means, guys, is you have powerful pump performance. The 07 series has better sustained power than competitive filters. You also have improved energy efficiency. So the 107 and 207 units only use 10 watts of power, which is as little as a single LED bulb. Finally, you have ultra-quiet operation thanks to a re-engineered impeller assembly. The 07 series is up to 25% quieter than previous generations.
Next, we're going to look at the inside of the filter box. So Eric, you want to run us through it?
Sure. So when you buy your 07 series canister filter, this is what will be included inside of the box. In this case, we're using the 307 in this demonstration. So the components included, first you have your ribbed hosing. You've also got various filter components, the aquastop valve, the intake and output assemblies, the motor head gasket, and the various rim connector assemblies. Then you've got the canister filter itself. You can see it's got a nice beefy, bulky appearance to it. And then you've got the instruction manual, very important. You can reference this at any time. Please note that all of the media you need to run your aquarium is included for free with the canister filter.
Okay, so now we're going to cover some of the features of the filters. For that purpose, we have the 06 generation over here, the 07 beside it. We're going to start with the priming device. You can see it's a more robust design, only requires a finger or two to prime it. Makes it a lot more easy to do within a cabinet. And of course, versus the competition, which often requires you to use both hands when you're priming, for those that do have that feature, it's a lot more inconvenient. So in terms of the robustness of the handle as well, makes it a lot smoother to operate.
That's right. So if you look at the old 06 priming assembly, it was a lot more flexible, a little bit weaker. In the 07 series, it's so much more robust, more rigid. It's actually 7 times stronger than the previous generation, which just makes it a lot better for that purpose.
Now the priming device doesn't end here. In fact, there's a section on the inside, and in this filter in the 07 series, it's been addressed by improved tolerances and a better suction, which does allow you to start it up after just 3 or 4 pumps. Looking at the aquastop, we've again got the 06 versus the 07. Now if we look at the 06 over here, we can see that the actual locking pad kind of finishes flush with the edge of the top of the canister. It makes it less convenient for gripping the unit to pull it up and open it or to lock it in. Here we've got the 07. It extends out beyond. It's got an upward angle, much more ergonomic. It's got some ribbed material here at the top, and it's a lot more, it's thicker, more robust plastic assembly overall.
That's right. If we take the units out, we can actually see the ribbing on the 06 series is not quite as extensive as the 07 series here. It's got a lot more ribbing. It actually makes it 2 times stronger than its predecessor. Overall, that allows for improved performance and reduced valve assembly flex.
Now we're talking lift lock clamps. Now over here on the 07, you can see that the whole design is a lot more robust. It's a fiber reinforced clamp area, a little bit ribbed at the top, more ergonomic access to the actual lift lock clamp, and the whole mounting boss assembly has been increased in dimension. More plastic, more solid, more rigid mounting versus some of our competition as well. This is a 2 clamp design using 2 big solid clamps, easy to access, versus a lot of the competition that has 4 clamps in fact.
That's right. So this is actually part of our fast action maintenance, given how easy it is to use. It's just a 2-step process. You can just lift it out and access the filter. Then when you're done, you simply lock it back into place and you're done. Another great improvement on the 07 series are the feet stabilizers. Why don't we take a look at them? So if we look on the 06 series, we can see they're quite small. This is similar to many competing filters. However, on the 07 series, as we can see, they're very large. It allows for increased stability and vibration dampening capabilities. They also help to protect the base of the filter. Lastly, they also come pre-assembled with the unit itself.
We're going to look at the inside. Now, starting with the re-engineered, precision-crafted pump, you can see that it features a diamond-polished aluminum ceramic impeller shaft for reduced tolerance or gap. In fact, it's so small, it's less than a human hair. It's got an improved fan blade assembly and magnetic rotor interface and a special glass fiber reinforced technopolymer overmolded with a special thermoplastic elastomer impeller cover, which we now install at the factory.
Wow, that is an earful, Tom. Basically what that means, guys, is that the unit features better engineering, which allows for frictionless rotations. In turn, that means that the units are up to 25% quieter, and because they wear less, they'll last longer.
When it comes to pre-filtration, Ploval is unique. We utilize a vertical design. You can see that the pads are vertically stacked. That reduces void space to almost nothing. With the 07 series, we have now what is called a Biofoam Max. It's a new product for us. Gives you 30% greater surface area, and it does so because of the rippled pattern that is incorporated in the design.
So the last item on our list, guys, is the Easy Lift media baskets. So unlike the 06 series, you don't need to remove any of the water from your canister in order to perform maintenance. Just with one finger, I can lift all of the media out of my filter. I can do the same for the pre-filter assembly. I can then take apart the media, do whatever maintenance I need to do. When I'm done, I put it all back together, and again, easy, put it right back into my filter, and you're done.
That's it for the unboxing and overview of the Ploval 07 canister filter line. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel to see some of the other interesting videos that we have on this line of filters.
If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. We'll see you next time, guys.